Hey guys, happy almost Valentine's Day. So do you have any candles laying around the house? Alright, cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to make some DIY last minute homemade gifts for your significant other with candles. So please continue watching. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video and happy new year. Should have washed my hair, but this will do. Do you guys like my pool? Yeah, thank you so much, Let Go, because I got that for free $99. I know it's been a very long time since we've seen each other, and if you don't remember who I am, hey, what's up? I'm Sub. Nice to meet you. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I just got this really cool and cute idea for your significant other. And today I'm going to show you guys some DIY homemade Valentine's Day last minute gifts, things, I don't know. So this is very simple to make, all right? So what are you gonna need are some candles or candles that have wax in it, which I have a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I don't litter. All right, so what are we gonna need? Candles that have a little bit of wax in, a good knife, some dishwashing soap, and either some paper towels or just like a rag that you do not use. So I just want to let you guys know I have tried this several times successfully, and I think that this is gonna be something very simple for you guys to do. So I just want to share this with you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. All right, now that I've told you guys what you need and stuff like that, we're gonna head over to the kitchen. So let's go. All right, so we're gonna go to my bathroom because like the lighting here is awful. All right, so let's get started. All right, so turn on the hot water, and once it's like really hot, like just grab your candle cup and just, you know, put it under the hot water and just rinse it out. Now grab your knife, this is very important, and just get in there. Like, don't be afraid, get in there. You know, make sure to take the candle whisk out after maybe a couple minutes and everything. It should look a little something like this. All the wax should be almost gone. Make sure that all the stickers are in like really hot water, because this part is important. Like I mentioned earlier, your paper towels, you know, you want to like get a little bit, and you want to do what I'm doing, you know, go in a circular motion inside the cup. Make sure that you want to take out all the wax, and once you do, you know, just dump it out. Now get another piece of paper and just repeat just one more time, just to be safe, because it's always great to be safe than sorry, you know. And you go in a circular motion like before, and it should look a little something like this, like, you know, a clean cup. And now you want to have like your stickers under like really hot water. Like, check this out. Ready? Okay, perfect. Perfect peel, and oh no, never mind. It's okay, just use your knife, just take out the like remainder of the stickers and everything, which shouldn't be a problem anymore, as long as you've had it like soaking under like really hot water. This was a bad peel, and don't worry about that. Just put it under hot water, use a knife, and it should come off very easily. And then it should look like, you know, a very clean normal cup and everything that you can use like for drinks and stuff. And here it is, dry. I just wanted to show you guys. So the next step, just add some dishwashing soap into these cups, because I'm pretty sure the candles have like a scent and stuff. Now add some water, make sure that like all the candles you know, have like that little like, you know, soap on top and everything. Leave it there for a good hour so the scent could go away. Trust me, I know what I'm telling you. Here's a cool shot of all of the like, you know, candles, and here I am, you know, just showing you guys the lids. The lids will probably be a little dirty, so you want to get like a wet paper towel, clean like the inside of the lid, and once you do that, you are going to want to get like a dry paper towel and just make sure that you dry it up and clean it, and there you guys go. Okay, hey, what's up guys? All right, so yeah, I know, change my shirt, my hair's not done because it's the next day. Anyway, by now you should have your candle cups clean, ready, and this is where the fun DIY homemade last minute stuff comes into handy. So I'm about to show you guys some things that I just came up with the top of my head. So please don't judge. And if you guys end up doing this, then just let me know down in the comments below. And with that said, here we go. All right, so this could be used as like a set of cups, and you know, the cups come with like some tops. You could use them as coasters, and you could you know, fill them up with water or alcoholic beverages. You could also put some candy in them like I usually do, which is cool. And make sure like it's different types of candy, you know, like Hershey's, and you know, this, and I love you because I do, and I don't, but I do, and I don't know what the hell this is, and it should look a little something like this. You also can get some stickers, but you know, we'll use that later on. And you could also do a little mix and matching, and hey, if you end up getting lucky, this comes in handy. Also, if you're a dog lover like me, you could, you know, put your dog treats in here. That way, you know, your dogs will probably feel like special and loved. You could do some notes as well, like I love you, or a little something like anyone can catch your eye, but it takes someone special to catch your heart. I know, cheesy. Or F Valentine's Day, I have you every other day. And yeah, and maybe once you finish decorating, it should look a little something like this. And here is the finishing touches. You know, hopefully you guys do enjoy this. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys end up doing one of these DIYs and everything, please tweet at me. My Twitter will be like right here, and let me know which one you guys end up doing. I know I'm in my car because it's been, I don't know, like maybe like 5 days since I shot this video. I know I'm like so bad, so please don't judge. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy this video. Also, 2018, one of my resolutions is to post more videos, and I am going to do that. I am going out of town tomorrow, which is Friday, and I will not be back until Tuesday, and I'm gonna vlog my whole entire trip. Ew. Stop. I'm kidding, like no one's there. With that said, you guys, my name is Seb. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.